Item 127 into item 126. Item 107, rubber O-ring. Slide this over the shaft of item 132, piston rod. Push in with a screwdriver. Take item 126. Notice the chamfer, which goes up against the O-ring. Take item 125, oiler line. Thread it into the oiler plate. Take a 7/16 open-end wrench and tighten. On item 126, notice the oiler hole is at top dead center. This supplies all oil to the piston cup. It is very important to have this at top dead center. Item 104, pumping cylinder. Apply light hydraulic oil to the entire inner surface. Slide the cylinder over item 126. It seats all the way up against the pumping box. Now install item 111. Notice the grooves are facing you. Next will be the pre-soaked felt. Slide the felt ring over. Now take item 110, bronze ring, which snaps into place. Item 108, bushing. Notice the chamfer. This is for an O-ring. Keep it facing out. Item 107, O-ring, which slides over the shaft and seats in the chamfer. Item 109, piston cup. Spread DAP around the opening on both front and back. Oil the outer surface, slide over the center bushing and into the piston cup. Apply more DAP on item 106, faceplate, on one side only. the taper goes into the piston cup. Take item 105, nut, and secure it on the shaft. There are 3 item 105 nuts which go on the shaft. To rebuild item 89, pumping cylinder, use the same procedure as you did on the other side. Item 286, rubber O-ring. Stretch it slightly and insert it in the groove. Reinstall item 291. Notice how he supports it with his knee. It has to be pushed forward to be seated in the cylinder. Then use a bar to align the bolt holes. Once you have one bolt installed, it will hold it in place. Do not tighten these bolts at this time. Install item 294, seat, into item 291, primary valve. Before closing item 301, manifold, visually inspect to ensure both O-rings are in place and the new ball is installed.